Well, welcome to the adventure. As always, things get interesting. Okay, good morning. It's Sunday, the day before the full eclipse, and it is the first moto camping adventure of the season. It's going to be roughly 13-14 degrees today, sunny. A little bit of a game plan is just to head north, check out a couple of my favorite spots, ride for the day, see how the bike goes, and just find somewhere cool to post up for tonight and the eclipse tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Just packing up a few more things. Feeling super excited. So thanks for being here. Enjoy the adventure.
Alright, so a little behind on schedule. I was hoping to leave by 9, but it's about 10. That's okay, there's no rush today. Excited. Bike's all loaded up with all the camping gear and all the necessary stuff. Everything seems to be running good, feels good. But yeah, no problems, cruising. Excited for this part of the adventure. It's going to be a beautiful day to ride and camp. It is a beautiful day. What do I mean, will it be? It already is. We're here, we're doing it. It is. So, gonna go into off-road mode, throw on the goggles. I like to have full vision. Alright, having a little break here, enjoying the view. It's a really nice camp spot. Been here many times. Gonna carry on heading north, but yeah, road's a little soft. It's still a little out of season. It's nice to see that there isn't a lot of people up here. What up, brother? Woo! That's a big tree. Yeah, really mucky back here. Not deep. I'm trying not to get super dirty. Yeah, we're just gonna go for it. Oh, I can see through, it's fine. Here in Kinmount, having a coffee, a little snack at the water here. Beautiful spot. Plan is to head towards Gooderham and then come down probably Highway 28. All right, just north of Apsley on Highway 28, and there is a problem. I'm leaking oil all over. So I've just noticed it's been spraying. I'm gonna take a minute here and... Fucking this is busted too. Holy moly. This whole engine guard is fucking busted, okay. So that kind of needs to come off. Found the problem, and it's not actually engine oil, it's fork oil. Now I pulled this up and my clip is off and my seal is halfway up and it's just soaked, and I could notice here it's just soaked all the way through the brake caliper and it was just spraying on me. So I had taken that clip off and I cleaned that seal and put the clip back in, but obviously it wasn't in the right spot. Well, if I can get that seal seated back down, get that clip back down, I've lost fork oil. I should still be fine for the adventure. I've got it back down into its seated position. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that bad boy. Happy to know it's not engine oil spilling out everywhere. Fork seals are something I was gonna do and didn't do, and clearly I should have done them. I'm just getting covered in oil here. Grab something to eat, have another look at this, and then reevaluate if I'm gonna tour home or tour to the camp spot. Well, welcome to the adventure. As always, things get interesting. Somewhat broken down on the side of the highway. Not really, but brings us to a good conclusion that it's very important to keep an eye on your bike after you've done a bunch of work to it. Put the seal back down, got the clip back in, and I know it's gonna leak a little bit still, but so I'm gonna ride about 20 minutes south. Well, that'll stop it from spraying on me. We are here. We made it here. Quite the adventure. Blowing out fork seal, which ended up all over my new pants. Kind of rigged that up and almost ran out of gas before coming into the woods. Glad I gassed up, and here now at this beautiful spot. Just gonna unpack, chill out, and then have a look at the bike. Quite a day riding for like the first ride of the season. Bike is running great, minus the fork seal blowing out. Yeah. Look at that. So this is absolutely the best time of season to camp and motorcycle. You have nice cool temperatures during the day. You're not just roasting. Overnight is still above zero, and well, I should say it was a chilly night. There are no bugs. Not all the cottages are up yet. It's really a win-win. So I'm really happy to be out. Set up for the night and tomorrow. Gonna get a fire going in a couple hours. But I think for now I'm just gonna chill. Just gonna chill in the hammock. Enjoy the silence. Rookie mistakes here. First trip of the year. So I've, blowed the fork seal out. Almost ran out of gas. I forgot my phone charger, GoPro charger cord. And, I forgot my headlamp. Right. And I forgot a headlamp. So, but everything is beautiful. The adventure has been great. Had some electrical glitch outs the last couple days, and Mercury is in retrograde and the eclipse is happening, so I'm just gonna surrender. Well, it was a chilly morning. Well, I should say it was a chilly night. Excited the sun is going to be coming up here shortly. Nice. Warming up a little bit here. The sun is rising. Beautiful morning. Got a beaver. Oh yeah. That's what we want. Hot. This is gonna be the spot. My little rocks here step. And oh, hello, Loon. Thank you for being here. I guess we'll be doing the breath work together. A little visit from the Canadian geese here. So this tree had fallen over the winter months. Quite an eyesore of the spot. So last night I started to cut it with my small saw as much as I could. And gonna work on pulling it out of the water and maybe debranch. A little bit of today's agenda will be hanging out until the eclipse around 3:20, 3:19 being the full eclipse. You know, I may not see too much, but I'm here just to kind of absorb it. And yeah, just gonna bum around the campsite, keep cleaning up, sawing up this big tree, have some food, check out the eclipse. Once that passes, hit the road, head on home. Been a beautiful first ride of the season with the eclipse happening in the background here. Wow, what a beauty sight. Okay, got to experience the full solar eclipse here at my favorite camp spot. And what an experience. Like, where we are right now, it wasn't complete coverage, but it was pretty close. It's still popping out now, but very, very cool. Worth the wait. I'm glad I paid attention a little earlier to see it coming through. And we got some breaks in the clouds, so was able to actually see it. And I think I got a couple good shots. So, bike is packed, camp is packed up. And yeah, gonna venture on out. And beautiful clear day. Now the Eclipse is done. Well, thanks for coming along. It's been a beautiful couple days of cruising and got to get back to work. But very happy to have spent it and shared it here with you. System. Just had a empty laundry bin. Open up everything like this. Go like this. Like this. And then carry it all in as one. Oh, toolkit, which I need to add to.